Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to install the Snapper GUI in the Linux Mint. So we can install the Btrfs file system in our Linux Mint installation, and we can also install Snapper as well as the Btrfs maintenance and do the maintenance of the Btrfs file system. So here in this video we are going to do the installation of Snapper GUI. So you have to issue this command sudo apt install Snapper GUI. So it is very pretty straightforward installation. It will execute, and in the next boot you can start using the Snapper GUI. You can do the configuration of the system snapshots using the Snapper GUI. So on this note I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.